What's up with TrueUSD and the rest of TrustToken's stablecoins? The market cap of TrueUSD has more than doubled in the last month to over $2 billion. TrustToken Incorporated, one of the companies behind the True family of tokens, advertises them as, quote, maximally transparent, end quote, but reality is somewhat different. Who owns TrueUSD? TrueUSD was launched in 2018 by Californian-based TrustToken Incorporated. It has always been a minority stablecoin, lagging behind market leaders like Tether and Circle, first reaching a market cap of $1 billion in early May 2021, when it nearly tripled in less than a week. This was days before the collapse of Terra Luna. Several months earlier, in December 2020, TrustToken announced that it would be switching to a new ownership structure. Further details were given on the MakerDAO governance forum, which described how the ownership structure was changing. It outlined how the business was being acquired by Tech3X, an Asian-based conglomerate that worked in traditional real estate, entertainment, environmental, and information technology industries. The post also maintained that Jennifer Jiang, the lead investor for the entity that Tech3X created to acquire TrueUSD, was an experienced investor who was deeply connected. Despite this new ownership structure, TrustToken maintained that Tech3X would not control the funds or the private keys. The firm has also made sure to emphasize that its ownership was not tied to Justin Sun, a point it felt the need to emphasize due to the fact that Sun was using an Asian-based conglomerate to make other purchases, including BitTorrent. Sun used to be listed as the Asia Market Advisor on TrueUSD's website, but has since been removed. Things became even more complicated in September 2020, when TrustToken Incorporated announced that it was rebranding as Archblock. Protos has reached out to TrustToken/Archblock and Justin Sun to clarify their relationship and will update if we hear back. What other True products exist? Besides the dollar-pegged TrueUSD, TrueToken also offers several other stablecoins, including True Australian Dollar, True Hong Kong Dollar, True Canadian Dollar, and True Great British Pound, all pegged to their respective currency. There is also an uncollateralized DeFi lending platform called TrueFi and a multi-stablecoin pool called TrueFX. Nominally at least, control of TrueFi is being handed over to a DAO that will run it, though the TrueFi Foundation, based out of the British Virgin Islands, still helps oversee it. The governance of the DAO is managed by the True Token. Alameda Research was a lead investor in TrustToken and the True Token. Notably, TrueFi has seen the pace of loans it has extended fall precipitously after several key borrowers, including Alameda Research, defaulted. Alameda defaulted on approximately $7.3 million in USD coin loans that were extended by TrueFi and managed by the True Trading team. According to a post in the TrueFi forum, True Trading is a wholly owned subsidiary of Archblock. TrueFX is also described on the TrustToken homepage as a stablecoin basket built on all 5 True currencies. Protos was unable to find any more details about a stablecoin basket, but an earlier Medium post from TrueFi did describe TrueFX as the LP tokens for a balancer pool containing the 5 stablecoins. There is currently only $13.7 thousand in liquidity in this pool. Attestations and reserves. The True family of stablecoins is marketed as maximally transparent, and it's claimed that they are independently attested with live updated proof of reserves. This is offered through the Trust Explorer product, which is meant to give users a view into the current status of the reserves and the tokens on the blockchain. It also allows users to easily retrieve the most recent independent attestation. However, attestations seem to have stopped. The last one available for TrueUSD is from December 31st, 2022, and True Australian Dollars, True Canadian Dollars, and True Great British Pound all have their most recent attestations dated January 31st, 2023. True Hong Kong Dollars doesn't have any attestations available, nor is it available in the Trust Explorer, which is meant to provide real-time insight. These attestations were being prepared by Armamino, LLP. The company has also audited FTX US, which it was reported has left the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The Trust Explorer website says, quote, "A new CPA firm dedicated to serving the digital assets industry will sign off on the real-time assurance reports later in Q1 2023, end quote. This leaves TrustToken/Archblock a few days to finish its next attestation. Protos has reached out to TrustToken/Archblock to see who will be providing these promised attestations going forward. Trust Explorer used to show which banking partners were holding the reserves for the various tokens, but this feature looks to have been disabled shortly after crypto research firm Chain Argos pointed out that it showed funds being moved from Signature Bank to other firms. Interestingly, the amount noted by Chain Argos seems to be the same amount that Bloomberg reported was moved to Capital Union in the Bahamas. TrueUSD's market cap has increased by a similar amount over the last couple of weeks. On-chain behavior. Chain Argos has noted that TrueUSD is burned and issued far more frequently than competing stablecoins like Tether and USD Coin. The researchers also highlighted how the two largest minters for TrueUSD were Justin Sun and Alameda Research. There is strangeness in the on-chain behavior of other true stablecoins. Blockchain analysis conducted by Protos noted that FTX was one of the largest holders of true Australian dollars, despite not seeming to support the token. The find-and-earn product, which is currently the subject of a lawsuit by Australian regulators, involved Finder converting customer deposits into true Australian dollars and then using them to earn yield. It's unclear how Finder would earn that yield, but Finder's directors had previously sold their over-the-counter trading desk to Alameda Research, and it was used to bank FTX. Finder was not the only Australian firm to use true Australian dollars as part of a yield product. SWI-FTX had a very similar product which has also since been discontinued. The Australian Financial Review reported that SWI-FTX purchases almost all of the cryptocurrency for its customers through Binance, though it is claimed to be distinct from the exchange. Both Celsius and Crypto.com seem to have previously offered yield on true Australian dollars. What is TrueUSD up to? Figuring out the true ownership of these interconnected entities isn't easy. TrueUSD specifically exhibits a pattern of sudden and massive increases in market cap along with unusually active burning and minting. At least one of the stablecoins offered by this team appears to have no attestation and the rest have increasingly stale attestations. Meanwhile, the team was at one point advised by Justin Sun, a marketer who has stolen the design of a failed stablecoin for his own. For more informed news, follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Google News, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.